Hey, my name is Hatter. I made this short video for AFEY LLC, and in this video I'll be sharing 3 things that you could do today to bring this. 3 things I'll be talking about today will be content, backlinks, and citations. And so if by the end of the video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll get right into it. First thing I want to talk about is content. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website, and when I say content, I'm talking about everything that's on here, from the pictures, words, clickable content, all that stuff. And Google loves content. The more the merrier. So you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on your home page of your website. And everything here really matters, and all the links should be working. And I see you've got the website made. It's pretty good, but you can definitely add a lot more stuff here. And also a free tip for you is like how each picture is saved also makes a big difference. So what's behind the picture is going to really help you rank, or if it's not saved properly, it's not going to do anything for your website. So as you can see, there's just a bunch of numbers behind the picture. Over here you want to put something like at least the name of your company, the area that you're working in other words, which will help the picture go up. And the second thing I'll talk about today will be citations. I've pulled up a little search right here, like heating and cooling companies around New York City, just to show you what customers will look at when they search something similar. So the first thing that pops up is this top section, which is called the Google Guaranteed section. Over here, this is a paid service through Google in which a business has to be verified, and there's a process, and once you go through that, you're able to place an ad right here. It's a top place to be, first thing customers look at, and provides really good leads. After that, we get down to this section, which is the traditional Google Ads section. Over here, it's a pretty big hit or miss, because this is pay per click. This can end up costing a lot of money, but if it's placed properly, you can definitely get some good leads from here as well. After that, we go down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack section. Here I'll tell you what a citation is. It's essentially going to be your business name, address, and phone number. That counts as one citation wherever you can put that. And this section is my recommendation for any business to be on, and I recommend you try to get in these top 3 spots. We specialize in that. The next thing you'll see is this organic section right here, is where you'll find the websites which have beaten out the competition and outranked everybody else to make it to the first page. First page is definitely where everybody wants to be at. That's where all the customers are. The last thing I'll talk about today will be backlinks. So backlink is basically any website which provides a link that leads to your website. Now let me show you a little tool I use. This is called Ahrefs. I pay for it every month. It gives me information on how I can assess the performance of any website. As you can see, I've put in your website right here, and it's showing me that you only have 2 referring domains, giving you 4 backlinks, not giving you any traffic at all at this point. Now to compare this to another competitor, I've pulled up one right here. Let me just load. Yeah, right here. So as you can see, the numbers are drastically different. They've got more than 700 referring domains, giving them 3,100 backlinks, giving them more than 26,000 keywords, and they're getting more than 26,000 organic traffic, more than 26,000 people visiting the website every single month. That's the type of numbers that you want to be hitting. Now let me go back to yours really quickly. Now, boosting these numbers and even putting numbers up here is relatively straightforward. We can put a very straightforward strategy and a good implementation, execute it, and these numbers can be boosted by a lot. That's exactly what we specialize in. Coming back to your website, that's basically all I had for today. I really hope you found the video to be educational. If you'd like to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. Also, I'd love to get some feedback from you. See what you think about the video and how I did. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.